The multi-asset proxy is an extension that allows multiple assets to be batched together in a single trade. Before this extension, it was only possible to trade one asset for one other asset. Now, any arbitrary asset supported within the protocol can be included in a single batch transfer on one side of a trade. So, in this example, an order will have some metadata that represents multiple assets batched together. So the taker will submit this order to the exchange contract, which will then call into the multi-asset proxy. Now let's assume that this batch contains one ERC-721 token and one ERC-20 token. So the multi-asset proxy will call into the ERC-20 proxy, which will debit one of the trader's accounts and credit the other trader's account for that token. Then the multi-asset proxy will call into the ERC-721 proxy and do the same. We'll debit one of the trader's accounts for that token and then credit the other trader's account. And you can batch together any arbitrary number of any asset type supported within the protocol in a single trade.